So we are now back with Linux Mint 18.3. And just move it over a tad bit. So where we left off was we got denied for the internet, but I installed it anyway. So if I go now into drivers, type in the super secret password. And now I get the weather. It is 19 degrees Celsius here. And can I now change my desktop background? Also. Yeah, for some reason I cannot change my desktop background. Well, I can, but I have to find it manually. So I just installed that, and we are up and going. So, install this. So, let's get some apps here. So this is Linux Mint 18.3 here. Okay, so first thing we're gonna need is Wine. Wine is a thing that allows us to install Windows programs on Linux. So that would be very nice. Let's go under Office, this category, and I don't think we need any of this here. Yeah, I don't think we need any Office things. Let's go under Sound and Video. So VLC is actually pre-installed on here, so that's nice. Minitube will work. So let's get that. Spotify, I don't really use Spotify. I'm more of a Google Play Music or something. Focus screen. Why not? Okay. Manage songs and playlists on an Apple iPod. No thanks. VLC again. Okay. Graphics. GIMP is also pre-installed. Scribus. Okay. How about TuxPaint? We have to get TuxPaint. So now all of these programs are now installed onto here. So we have Wine. We have TuxPaint is installing. I think we also got Focus Screen, which is under, let's say, Sound and Video. Yep, right there. So here's like a little screen recorder for Linux. Very nice one. I can set up my microphone. Pulse. Let's do 30 frames a second. Don't need a webcam. Okay. So let's go under Firefox, right here. Let's find some things that may or may not work out here. So we're just gonna open Firefox, which comes pre-installed in this operating system, and this is Firefox Quantum, so it's very nice. So let's first of all make Google our default search engine. So if we go under search, we want to add a search bar here. Yahoo. Who uses Yahoo today? So let's go and find more engines. And now if we find over here Google, it's right there. And then just click here and then add. And then it is there. So now let's customize this bar here. And so we want to find downloads. Oh, there it is, right there. Downloads. It's not auto hide it. We also want to forget, because like, who doesn't want to do that? Zoom control, oh nice. You're like, you can't see properly, sometimes I can't. So this will be nice. And I think that'll be it. So we're gonna get done. And then we can go home. So let's hi Blue Ringo. How are you today? So we're gonna sign into my Gmail. Okay. Let's show password. Okay. No, we're not gonna do that. Of course I'm not gonna do that. Why would I do that on a live stream? I'd have to change my password. So let's go under YouTube and see if I can play a 1080p video here. Because Windows can't really, so oh no, this is a live stream. This is if it says live, it's a live stream. So we're just gonna play an OS First Timer video here. And we are gonna play the speech recognition video here. Inappropriate.
Coming fast, commanding faster. G'day and welcome back to OS First Timer. In this episode, Ben is going to be seeing just what...
So can I play in 1080p here? That's my question. Can it play 1080p and Linux? Because Linux is very lightweight, so... So 1080, 50 FPS. John is no god, but he's got a legal and illegal gender reassignment in his what? Okay, is Minitube installed? Yes, so we are gonna open up Minitube and do OS First Timer. Playback. Okay, so let me try this out. So I've used like the Windows 8 version, but not this one. Channel, okay. Hey, my internet's working. Okay, so let's download this video, okay? Let's just download it. So for me, I use online video converter.com/ online video converter or something like that. Oh, then just go there and then just hit that one. Okay, so it's video dash converter. So we are going to do an MP4 in 1080p. So we're gonna do okay, 720p, I guess. So start. Oh, that might help. So I recommend if you want to get free music, just use this. And I can just download it. Now this is a 12 gig partition, so
Critical alert from Microsoft. Your computer has alerted us that it is infected by a virus and/or spyware. This virus may be sending your credit card details, Facebook login, and the toll-free number listed, so that our support engineers can walk you through the removal process over the phone.
I better call them.
We will be forced to disable your computer to prevent further damage to our network. Error number 268D. Critical
I
alert
better
from
call
Microsoft.
that number.
Your computer has alerted us that it is infected by a virus and/or spyware.
This actually isn't a torrent site. It just downloads YouTube to MP3 or 4, whatever. I guess it is actually a virus. Let's go to my downloads. Right there. Your Firefox is critically up to date. An update is required to stay secure. Not really. I know. Next, hold on. Library downloads. Okay, so let's play it. I meant via VLC, not this one. Yeah.
G'day and welcome back to OS First Timer.
So let's actually play with VLC here, because that is actually pre-installed. Actually, let's try Minitube, see if that'll work. So, application, playback, playlist, video, full screen. Okay, so I have no idea how to use this version of Minitube. I've used the Windows 8 version. So let's just go under VLC and open file. It's under my downloads, right there.
G'day and welcome back to OS First Timer. In this episode, Ben is going to be seeing just what a train wreck Windows speech recognition was, as suggested by one of our Patreon supporters known as William. So be sure to go check out his channel, as well as all the other Patreons here who make these videos possible. Anyway, will Ben be able to write an innocent story about a boy who goes to the shop to buy a packet of chicks, or will the computer do its best to remove the PG rating? Keep watching.
So yeah, when it's actually downloaded to the hard drive, it can actually do about 720p, but streaming, don't expect anything too good, at least on my computer, at least. Let me see here. Oh, yippee. Look about. We'll just go to Control Center. Other personal. Administration, login window. Enable Bluetooth mouse. I need to go to mouse actually and enable touchpad. Vertical 2-finger scrolling. That doesn't work on my touchpad, unfortunately. Or does it? No, it won't. Enable natural scrolling. I hate that. Like, I want to scroll down and actually scroll down. Yeah, I know about Discord. I used to use it, but I don't really use it anymore. I can't find where to put up all of my specs and machine name and stuff. Like, I can't right click computer. Oh, about. Let's go. See, it's not like oh, maybe properties. Emblems. So, let me see here. How to find specs in Linux Mint. I said Google. Part of Google, don't you understand? Okay, so here it says go to the control center, and it's under System Profiler and Benchmark. Okay, so let's try terminal. SCSI. Okay, so it is literally reading everything. And it just ran out of space here. It's like, it's even looking at my mouse / trackball. You can see that I have a 12 gig partition here. Windows, which is a 61 gig. But that's not really showing my system specs. Watch my previous video, which is called Logan Fails at Installing. Okay, so first thing is right click the start button in the bottom left hand or top left hand corner, and then click on disk management. Okay, then click on right click on the hard drive and then click shrink, and then let me see here, you want a 10 gig, so let me do 1024 times 10. Then you make it 10 to 40 as the hard drive size. Then get a copy of like Ubuntu or okay, so you did all that. Did not work. Okay, so then go to this Partition Wizard and Google. Go to partitionwizard.com. Then click on Windows 10. Or no, you can't. Click on download up here. Then just go to free edition. I have Wine on here, so it should work. So you've already done Partition Wizard and it is not working. Okay, so yeah, try Windows 8.1. That should work. Let me just install it on here with Wine. No disk management in Windows 8.1. I will be right back. Yeah. I hate doing Windows Update. I always disable it. If you have Windows 8 and below, you can. If you have Windows 10, you're on your own. So let me just install all this stuff. So yeah, it's an exe file working on Linux. Okay, so launch mini tool. There's disk management on 8.1, yes. So yeah, right click and then click on disk management. Or get the software mini tool partition wizard. Oh, where's my calculator? I think I got rid of the calculator, so let me go back into here. Calculator. So you want it 10 gig, so do 1024 times 10, and then it'll be just 10240. Oh, that's fine if you didn't use commas. You don't have to. So then what you want to do is, I'm not sure if you have Linux or what you want to install, but get yourself a copy of Ubuntu, Linux Mint, Kubuntu, Lubuntu, stuff like that. 8.1 has not bugged me with updates on boot up and okay, so now just go find your favorite distro, or if you're gonna install Windows on it. Me, I would just recommend using Ubuntu because won't take long to install. So, okay, let me just also change the setting to Google because it's driving me nuts using Yahoo. There you go. Download Ubuntu Desktop, Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. You need a 2 GHz dual core processor or better. I have a single core processor. It works just fine. I'm using 12 gigs space here. I just want to add 10 extra gigs to my 10 install. Okay, so then you're running into some issues. So go and download Minitool Partition Wizard on your computer, and then here it is. Just click download up here and then get the free edition. Bad disk, MBR. I think everything here is a bad disk. I think every one of my disks is 76.60 gigabytes. See, can I get Microsoft Office up on my computer? That'd be nice. Oh, that one. Office 16. Maybe that one will work. You know? Microsoft. Skype desktop. So I have 10 gigs to my Windows 10 and install that. Install Ubuntu. Okay, go and download Partition Wizard, the free version. I'd have to delete my whole partition of 10, just add 10 gigs. I don't think so. I would just look up how to do it on YouTube, because I've actually never really done it before. Okay. Oh, probably because of fast boot on Windows 8. Ah. Okay. I'm trying to get Microsoft Office on this computer because I have it over on Windows 8, but I can't find the program file for it. I know I've changed from my computer before. Unless I have to like go to view I don't know. Make a Discord server. I may. And here's all the wallpapers. So what we are going to do now is restart it and boot over into Windows 8 and yeah. So I can at least find Office because I really want to get Microsoft Office working on this computer. It doesn't take a while to shut down / reboot. So I'll just scroll down to Windows 8, just right here, and then hit enter. And there we are, booting into Windows 8. And here we are in Windows 8.1. Okay. So now let's try and find Office because I know I had it on this computer. Tired. Okay, so I have to actually manually type in C:/ because I've disabled it. So let's go into Program Files, not Windows, Program Files. And I remember they were in Microsoft Office. But that is all it gives me for that one. It gives me this proof folder which has nothing in it. If I go into the Office 15 folder, it gives me this client thing. Integrated Office, .exe. Like I know I installed it. You have a new version of Office installed. We have detected these new versions of Office. Okay, so where it put it at, I have no idea. Let me do this. Open file location. Okay, so what is it in? So it's in this PC, Windows program data, Microsoft Windows start menu programs. Okay, so I may now be able to get Office on Linux Mint. What? Don't get Windows on or Office on Linux Mint? It may still work, cause well, I have no idea where it installed to, cause in previous versions I could find it just in the Microsoft Office folder, but I installed it via something else. Okay, so now let's turn on the PC. And it'll pull up the Linux Mint. Ink files. I'm not sure about that. I think every shortcut is an ink. So now we are booting up over here our handy dandy Windows XP, because it's literally designed for Microsoft Windows XP. And we're booting up Mint over here. Okay, so let me I need two hands for this because my delete key is over here instead of like right here. Let me just type in the password. Okay. So here, okay, so let's go to my computer here because I do know where Office is located at. Listen to my hard disk. And I'm logging in over here. Mint. Okay. So it's a local C. Program files. I'm bored a lot, so I just explore the Windows hard drive. And then it's in the Microsoft Office folder. Which is right here. It's in Office 14, and then WinWord is right there. So let's go back and there we go. There's Word. So yeah, that's what I was looking for, but it wasn't over here because I have a different thing. So let's go back into the Windows drive. Now it said it was in, I forgot where it said it was. I think it said it was in Program Data, Microsoft, Windows. It's Windows. use Windows, and then start menu, programs, and then there it is, Word.inc. So open with Wine. Let's watch it. Probably not boot. Do that mini disk thing work on 32-bit? Oh, mini tool partition wizard. Yeah, of course. There's no Windows program configured to open this type of file. Of course not. Microsoft Office tools. So let's try and open just a TeamViewer. See if that'll at least work. It should. And then TeamViewer.exe. Open with Wine. And let's see if I can connect to my old 2004 XP machine via Linux Mint. Oh, where is it? Over here. Okay, so we got TeamViewer up and going, TeamViewer 13 to be exact. Oh, you don't need to see that. Hold on, it's opening. Hurry up. I can't do this forever. Okay, there we go. So, what is it? Oh, my help with Numblock was on. Okay, and now password. And it just crashed. Yeah, there is. Yeah, it just totally crashed. This test was, how well does Wine work on Linux? And it works decent. I mean, everything just reopened here. So let's try and get TeamViewer for Linux. Now this code I don't care if you connect to my computer, really. So, TeamViewer for Linux, except unfortunately I have to, and x86 32 bits. Wait, no. I'll just say other systems. Just save it. Wonder if the store has TeamViewer. Probably doesn't. And then it just does all this stuff. UV setup. Wonder who else is watching, because it says there's 2 people watching. Okay, so it even has Minecraft for free on unofficial way to easily install Minecraft. So let's just type in team. Nope, it doesn't have it on the store. Okay. AnyDesk. AnyDesk is another one. That may work with Linux. Linux 2 megabytes actually. I'll just do generic Linux 32-bit. There it is. Okay. So there's AnyDesk, so now I can just open that. There we go. So hey, I at least got something working. My mouse is frozen, there we go. So oh, it's not that hard to get. What's my little pin thingy? Like literally all you have to go to is just type in AnyDesk download. You don't even have to install it if you don't want to. So what I'm going to type into my Toshiba is Logan-Inspiron-1525 at add. Okay. Now, I'm not going to allow to hear sound. I'm not going to allow to do that or that. Okay. So now I just hit accept. Oh, you don't also need that. Sorry about that. And there we are. We are using Linux Mint 18.3 on an old Toshiba laptop. So technically, if I wanted to, I could just stop the live stream and screen record, but it's not actually working properly. There we go. Yeah. Keeps freezing up, like even when I move that. Can you give me to connect? Wrong one. That's for the Toshiba. Okay, just type this in. Exactly how it says. Okay. Just type in Logan-Inspiron-1525 at add, exactly how it says, and I'll accept you. So let me just disconnect from my Toshiba. There we go. Actually, I think I could actually install TeamViewer now. Tell me when you're ready. Okay. Yes, the at symbol, shift 2, and then add. Exactly how it says it. once I get the little message, you'll be on the OS for Stammer USA computer. You typed in exactly what it says. Oh, or you can type in 653-866-071. Not getting any little signs here, so type in this code. Maybe easier. After I focus. I'll just read it out to you. Oh, there we go. Can you actually use my computer? Okay. Oops, you're seeing me now. And here's my XP machine, which is literally like right over here. But yeah. So can Linux Mint actually replace my Windows 10 or 8 or whatever I have? I'd say it can, but not totally. Like some things just don't work properly, like Microsoft Office. That's not my fault, really. It actually kind of is. I just had to get Office 2016 because I used to have Office 2013. But yeah, it comes with the free Writer, PowerPoint, which I don't like using Impress. I prefer like PowerPoint because Impress is like, look at this. Like, I prefer all these up here. Yeah, it just like go with WPS Office. Yeah, what I like is that I can actually connect directly to the computer. Actually, let me dismiss that and set a password for my computer. Security, so that I can just sign in. Okay. So now I'm just gonna type in the password and just second I will be able to see my Linux Mint over on XP. Yeah, it's 2018 and I'm still using Windows XP. That's pretty sad. Like, it could definitely be faster than this. Okay, that is you. Give me just a second. Mouse. Give me just a second here. And now you are on the OS First Timer USA computer, running Linux Mint. Wow. So yeah, maybe a little slow, but it's fine. Don't turn it off. I know, this is very slow. It's because I'm live streaming, I'm connecting to myself. Yeah, it's gonna be very slow. Let me see here. Oh, and my mouse isn't even moving here, so like if I actually move my cursor, yeah. My name is leaked. So there you have it. There is the Blue Rango actual name. Okay, not okay. That disappeared. Okay. Oh no, don't turn off. Okay, so can you connect to my Windows XP machine via any disk? Different tabs. Let me actually create a fresh account here. Actually, I think I have one, but can I log into it? Linux. Let me see what my other account name is, because I forgot it. Connect to your machine. Okay. I'll do that over on XP. So that wasn't good. Sure. Okay, so I'm ready. Let me just disconnect you from my machine. Hopefully. Okay. Give me just a second. I will be right with you. So I'm just gonna dismiss this. Because I don't want you actually on my account. Give me just a second to log out and log in to my other account. What is it? Let's change the password. Should I just remove the password altogether? Okay. Hold on. It's nothing personal, I just don't want you on my account. Because I actually do use this computer for actual stuff. Let me just log in here. I forgot the username for it. Weird. What's the username for it even? I hope you're fine on the... admin. It is. Oh wait. Control. Actually, I gotta put it in here. That's how it's called. School. Okay. So now that I know the actual account name, I can actually log into it now. Just give me one more second. Thanks. Okay. Make sure I can't see anything. Good. Okay. Now I think I have to re-download it. Actually, can you do, you're launching OBS to record. Yeah, post it on YouTube. I don't care, actually. Go ahead. Okay, so what the... Oh, there we go. So just type in that into AnyDesk and you should be connecting. Now I'm just going to disconnect you from this over here. Probably. Or if I can. Okay. Welcome to Windows XP from Microsoft. New version of Windows that brings your PC to life. Experience Windows XP.
Best for business. Windows XP Professional shines as a business operating system. Get more work done faster, easier, anytime, anywhere. Safe and easy personal computing. Thanks to Windows XP, personal computing just got a whole lot easier and more fun. Unlock the world of digital media. Windows XP is your ticket to exciting digital media at home and on the internet. The connected home and office. Get connected. Windows XP makes it easy to share and link computers. See yourself how easy Windows XP is to use. Take this brief tour. To begin the tour, click any selection.
See, are you up on OBS Studio? Nice. Well, sometimes I play it, but not often. And this is gonna beat out my Windows 8 and 7 destruction video. Can I be in a video soon? If you do, actually, do you live in Illinois or where do you live? Ah, yeah, that's a little far for me to travel. You call me? Yeah, sure. Oh, Skype? Oh, do you have iPhone? Uh, do I Skype on my phone? No, I do not. You haven't installed Skype yet. I have, but it's on another account. Oops. Um, yes, sometimes my computer acts up. Let me quit out of Firefox quickly. Oh, you want to change the theme of Windows? Who doesn't? Me, I just have, one of the older ones, or one of the other ones. Let me put you in the control panel here. Okay, it's under appearance and themes. Yeah, it's just a classic theme for Windows XP. Yeah, just Windows XP. Oh, there we go. Now this is the actual speed of my computer. Once it changes the theme, I'll show you my specs. So let me show you my specs of the machine here. So, this is Windows. Windows. Yeah, YouTube. I wish. But yeah, look at these specs for an old computer. I think it went under there. Yeah, we closed that off. So the specs aren't really good. It has a 1.5 gigahertz Intel Pentium, the old Pentium, not a newer one, with 512 megabytes of RAM. Yeah, that's true. That's not a lie. 512 megabytes of RAM. Windows 95 VM 3 working. I mean, I could if I actually tried. I could get some 95 working, possibly. Any dog? um, yes. Let me do that for you. Okay, so find the file on your computer. Actually hit Control C, and then go back to my computer, and then hit Control V. So yeah, what are you copying over? DOS ISO? Totally adding a virus, JK. DOS. I've actually used DOS before. It's in another one of my videos. XP ISO. I actually have a DVD for XP. Hmm. So yeah, let me go back into the main AnyDesk and grab my code here. Come on. I'm just gonna grab my code here. 893. 893 249 228. Okay. Okay. Wait, little Logan. It's time to eat. Okay. Um. So, um. Swiss cheese. Eyeballs. And milk. Good cereal. What about connect connecting to your machine? Sure. Linux Mint. Yeah, it lost. Mint. Trying Linux Mint. Then a bird connects to my PC. Okay. I identify as a bird. Okay. Be right back. Okay, so do you want me to also try at your computer or no? Oh. Okay. Try. Okay. So I'm just gonna try and connect to it via Mint. Okay, so now we are back with Linux Mint. Just waiting for my remote side to accept. And here we are. So it looks like he's using Windows 8.1. Welcome. That's pretty sad. He needs to activate Windows. Yeah, they're an hour behind us, it looks like. No, he said he lives in Idaho. Okay. Thought he said Utah. I don't know why I'm obsessed with Utah right now. Yeah, I've done this live stream for about over an hour. My battery's only at 72%. Pretty good, actually. Nice background. Oh, that's actually what it's called, color. Okay. And a bunch of potatoes. Thanks. I'm literally on the side here. Also, it mentions that I'm live streaming. There it is. Oh, you're saving my icon. Best human being. Electronic Whiz 1. It's just gonna go in a spiral loop now. So like I said, it's gonna go in a spiral loop. Thanks. Let me copy that. Sign up for Discord. I have Discord actually, I do. But I don't know the account info. Let me just Control C. Then let me see here. No idea. You can still see my computer. Let me see here if I can actually get into my Discord. Who's the second viewer? Mentally disabled. For 50 minutes. Oh, no. Yes, I want to save it. Text. Now, who's the third person watching? Let me sign up or sign into my Discord. Moderator. You should use Discord more often. I probably should. I love using that website. GDP. And the CE2R. Okay. Okay. When So I have an account. I just don't remember the stuff. Hey, it just took me back to Google. Oh. Finishing the center. Okay. I think that's my stuff. Email is already registered. Or claim it again. Claim your account to keep all your servers and chats. Okay, so there we go. Oh. Okay. An account. Okay, so I'm just trying to get on Discord here. But the thing is that I have no idea how to sign out. Oh wait, sure I do. No? There we go. Log out. Now I have to check my email to actually verify. Computer geek. I'm coming. Okay. Now I can actually log in. There we go. Okay, so now I can add, join. So it is Discord. https:// discord.gg/m/vte2r. XP. Okay, so now we are... Okay, so I'm pretty sure you can hear me now, right? I can somewhat hear you. Oh wait. Yeah, can you hear me? Yeah, I've enabled my microphone over here on Discord. Can you hear me? Either there's an error with Firefox or I just can't hear you. So yeah, I think that'll end off the live stream here. So, because we're not talking much and you're just watching something. So yeah, have a great day and I'll see you later. Bye.